Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello my dear student of class 9, good morning all of you. My dear student, today we will study the second chapter of your book Moment in English. The chapter name is The Adventure of Toto. The Adventure of Toto. My dear student, this chapter is written by Ruskin Bond. As the name he is looking a foreigner, but exactly he was an Indian foreigner, and he has described his personal experience with Toto, and he has described his family members, his grandfather, grandmother, and this is you can say one part of his autobiography. Dear students, in the adventure of Toto, Ruskin Bond tried to tell us the collection of animals in the zoo of his grandfather. His grandfather was a man who was having love and affection towards the animal. He was having so many pets. In his family, there was a donkey, there was a goat, a pair of squirrel, and now in the collection, he added to a Toto. So this story is describing about Toto and his mischievous activity. Let us see and find out the answer of the questions that I have sent you through WhatsApp. Dear student, the story begins. Grandfather of the writer, means of Ruskin Bond, bring one new animal, one new pet in his family. The new pet was a monkey, and that monkey name was Toto. Grandfather purchased it from a Tonga driver in 5 rupees. 5 rupees nowadays is a very low currency, but in that one day it was just considered as a good amount of money. So my dear student, so in 5 rupees Ruskin Bond's grandfather purchased a monkey, and the monkey name was Toto. As the grandmother was adverse, she was not liking a number of the animals in her house, so grandfather planned to keep it into his zoo, and after a few days he wanted to introduce the new members of the family to his wife. So what happened one day grandfather just keep Toto into the bedroom of his son, means Ruskin Bond, and they went for some other work. When they come back, they saw that the bedroom condition was right now fully worse. The blazer of Ruskin on up, the wall was scratched, and all the things were putting here and there, means the whole room was fully disturbed. Grandfather, in which the very important is Toto. One day there was a small kitty party by the grandmother, and the few neighbors came into her house, and they were enjoying pulao. So Toto wanted to eat first. They got angry, the family members got angry, so Toto just threw it on her, and Toto just ran away with the bowl to the another part of the house. So it showed that Toto was really mischievous animal, but working like the family members, and grandfather liked it too much. One day, what incident happened? Grandfather went to Saharanpur to just collect his pension. So he thought that Toto is a new member of his family, and maybe he is not liked by grandmother and the new part of the zoo also. So other members of the zoo could be disturbed. So what he planned? He planned to keep Toto with him to Saharan. He keep it into one bag, and he also keep tortoise into his pocket. He just moved to Saharanpur. On the railway station, the ticket collector was checking the ticket, making the ticket of the person, and on that time suddenly he was making ticket of a dog, because in the animals dog is considered, and that is being charged by railway. So he just at once, grandfather at once thought that might be the ticket collector asked money for the Toto also, and there was a big discussion between the ticket collector and the grandfather, by how grandfather reached to Saharanpur and collect his money, come back. If I tell you about Toto, so my dear student, Toto was really not only a mischievous animal, but his part of body was really attractive. His eyes were sparkling, and his teeth were just looking bright, just like pearls. And the third part of his body, the most important part of his body, was his tail, working as the third hand. And the Toto was really designed in a very different way in comparison to the remaining monkeys. That is why grandfather liked him too much. So what happened when grandfather just bring Toto to his zoo once again? Toto started to fight with Nana. Nana was a very special member of grandfather's family. He was a donkey. So when grandfather seen that day by day the mischievous activity of Toto is increasing, so he planned to sold it. He planned to sold it to anyone in any amount of money, and he did so. He sold it to the same Tonga driver in rupees 3. He purchased it in rupees 5. He sold it in rupees 3, and by this way the story got over. Kindly read the chapter fully so that you can get the remaining part of the chapter and do the question answer in your fair copy. Thank you very much.